And then this part, which is 3x plus 5, the y and the word point. In your homework and on this, we're always going to go -2 to 2, okay? You could technically plug in anything, but the reason why I want to use the same numbers every time is so that when I read the numbers aloud to you, we all are on the same page. But you could really plug in any numbers you want to and make a line. All right, so again, this would be 3 times -2 plus 5. 3 times -2 is what? -6 plus 5 is -1, and then the final point is -2, -1. All right, you're going to do the rest of this with your partner, and you're going to graph it this time. And if we have time, which I believe we will, we'll have somebody, partners, come up here and win a prize for it, okay? All right, go for it. Talk to each other. If you are absolutely certain you know how to do this and you don't need somebody else's help, then at least make sure you talk to them about it.
He's saying I'm proud of you. You know what he said? He said yes. What? was reading the letters back when there was no phone.
All right, are you ready? Need some more time?
He's grabbing one. We're not the only ones that.
Talk with your partner right now and decide if you're interested in coming up here.
That's weird.
Okay.
Oh no, I always pop. Oh, that's like I wake up in the morning.
Here we go. Raise your hand if you and your partner are interested in talking about this with us. For a prize. 1, 2, 3. Three. Now you guys can sit there and talk to me, or you can come up here. What would you prefer?
Wow. I see that.
I'm not John. He's not.
Okay. All right. Now, before we get going on this, everybody write this down, please. Look at the here. Hey, everybody. Page 215. Numbers 3 through 6. And 9 through 12. But you can only do the 3 through 6 part right now, because tomorrow we're going to do the second half of the lesson, okay? And this whole thing's due Thursday, so you got a while. I'm just saying if you want to get started. Also, the inputs, just like in this, are going to be -2 to 2. All right. So I'm ready when you guys are. Can you go over here and talk by the computer on this side, maybe? Or are you gonna? Who's gonna write and who's gonna talk?
Yeah, you probably right. 'Cause you got
So Aiden, why don't you come stand over here by the computer so we can hear you online? All right, everybody, we're gonna be polite and listen now.
So for the first one was like -2. We took 3 times -2, and we got -6. And then we took the +5, and we did -6 plus 5, and then that was equal to -1.
Okay, let her have a chance to write. Are you just talking about the first one that I already did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, keep on.
And then for the -1, we took 3 times -1, and then we got -3 plus 5 equaled 2. And then for the 0, we took 3 times 0, which equals 0, plus 5 equals 5. And
Give her
then
a second.
that 1, we took 3 times 1 would equal 3. And then we took that plus 5, and we added 3 plus 5, which equaled 8. And then that 2 was 3 times, we took 3 times 2 equaled 6, plus 5 equaled 11. And then we just did the graph.
All right, and let's go down to the graph, which is right here. Go ahead.
And for the first one, the points would be -2 and -1. So you go
She's got it. Keep going. Why'd you